How is it possible that your hospital is sustaining all these pharmacies?
No, just a very quick right.
That was in the last.
We have come from that hospital, the ICU is not functioning. We have come from that hospital, dialysis services have stalled. We have come from that hospital, they do not even have an ambulance. We have come from that hospital, the oxygen plant is not functioning because there's a missing valve. I think one of the most important functions that have been devolved to county governments is the health function. And when you come to a county like Busia and you find that there is no single functioning public ICU, that is a matter that requires serious and urgent intervention.
And I've looked around and none of them has posted a positive report. That's the saddest thing we have. Not a single positive report has come out. Everything in Busia is in need of attention, which it's not receiving from the county leadership.